Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Manli 3G Force RTX 4070 GDDR6 graphics card. So friend, Manli has introduced three new RTX 4070 graphics card and all of it features the new slower memory type. So friends, the new variant of RTX 4070, unfortunately, this SKU is not meant to be faster than the existing version. In fact, it is said to offer similar performance, and all through the specification are actually slightly worse. The AD104 251 based model has the same current count of 5888 CUDA cores and featuring 12 GB of memory, and even has the same clock speed and TDP of 200 watt, and this only change is slower GDDR6 non-X memory, which is now clocked at 20 Gbps instead of 21 Gbps, and Nvidia isn't claiming the performance will be identical but smaller. Could raise some concern for gaming. There will likely be a very small difference compared to the GDDR6S variant, and however, since graphics cards are now used for various purposes, including compute related workloads such as generative AI and video processing, and be more noticeable, and only real reviews will tell. And Manil has put a sticker that says 12 GB GDDR6. So in this case, and we have clear information on what is being sold, and also Manil appear to be committed to the new launch, offering three models, the same number of GDDR6X variant and the unnamed card labeled MS, M2545 Plus and 748 features. Manil's iconic green color design, 2.5 slot cooler, and no factory overclocking, and the company is also launching two white design cards, all three models, the same GPU, the same GPU, the same GPU otherwise otherwise. So it's basically an offer of three cooler options. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.